Did you know the virtual assistant Siri on your iPhone could write you a rap song? Don Jazzy, show them how.
Okay, that's clever, but no. My name is still Yugason. Grab your iPhone and open Safari. Then search Siri Pro. Click the first link, look for and then download the Siri Pro shortcut. It will take you straight to the Shortcuts app. Click Add Shortcut. Once done, go back to Safari, look for and tap on OpenAI API keys. It would require that you log into your OpenAI account first, but then after that you should see Create New Secret Key under API keys. Then tap Create Secret Key. Once created, copy it and then go back to the Shortcuts app. Hit the options icon on the Siri Pro shortcut and then paste the API keys. Hit done and that's it. Now all you have to say is, hey Siri, Siri Pro. And you basically have ChatGPT working with Siri. And you can ask it anything, even to write you a rap song about Don Jazzy. Make sure to like and follow for more videos like this.